What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. In this video we'll talk about Matic, main token of the Polygon blockchain. We'll zoom into the technicals, we'll talk about some fundamentals, we'll talk about why we have been falling. Basically everything you need to know about Matic for today, but also for the upcoming days. So first of all, what I always do when I start a video about Matic, I cover Matic quite a lot, so if you're interested in that, make sure to consider subscribing. Polygon, amazing project. It's almost getting like a joke right now, but I think Polygon, I mean, it's one of my biggest holdings. It has been very strong compared to other cryptos. We're still higher than the levels we were at in September, and we're at kind of the same levels where we were in August, and we are way higher than where we were in June. Compare that, for example, with Bitcoin, and you have had a great pick in Matic. Apart from that, it's also an amazing project. A lot of new things coming up, like the Polygon zero knowledge EVM coming quite soon. So altogether, just an amazing project in my opinion. And not being paid to say that, it's just, I mean, it's probably not going to get the biggest return, but it's solid. So apart from that, we have been falling, and we have had our fair share of bearish breakouts, which isn't nice, but I mean, it's the real world. Main reason for that is, for Matic specifically, is that, Matic was kind of inflated in price, as you can see, due to some, very real and bullish development and fundamentals, like partnerships with Meta and some things with Disney coming out. So that was all amazing, but what that means is that when the price is kind of inflated like that, it also becomes more susceptible to falling, which we also did. Then we recovered, but now we are falling a little bit more. We're getting to, like, every crypto has kind of like a real value, like an intrinsic value. That's higher because of these fundamentals, but it was definitely not this high. So right now we're just correcting. And apart from that, what also happened yesterday is that the bearish fundamentals in the entire market kind of continued. Like the dollar index is rising, which is bad for crypto. But apart from that, we also received some more bearish fundamentals regarding the FTX hacker and everything going around FTX still. So all of that together made us drop down. You can see that we had a bearish breakout through 84 and 85 cents. Then we had a bearish breakout through 82 cents, which is not really what I expected, to be honest, but we did. So now, just purely realistically seen, you can see that we're at this, which I'm going to draw for you. You can see that we're at this support level right here, kind of around 79 and 70, let's say 78 cents. But purely technically and also fundamentally seen, it looks way more likely that we will maybe take another break retest off of 82 cents, but that we will drop down even further, down to 75 cents and this entire level between like 72 and 75 cents, which is, as you can see, a very strong support level. And I do think we will hold that, and then from there we can actually set up some sort of a consolidation between 79 and 72 cents, maybe ultimately 70 cents, but let's say 72 cents as the main support. And then what happens afterwards from this consolidation is we'll follow the market. We'll get more fundamentals soon. Interest rate, for example, coming, not that soon, but it's coming up again. And we have to wait for that. So that's either going to be bullish or bearish. If it's bearish, we'll drop down all the way to 60 cents. If it's bullish, we can recover up to like 85 and 90 cents. But that's something for the future. As I said, I cover Matic quite a bit. So yeah, that's something for a future update. But for now, I expect us to drop down a little bit more and then consolidate, at least if we don't get any more bearish fundamentals. But yeah, so that's my take on Matic this morning. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care. Have a great Monday and bye.